Oh my. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Ready? Look how everything was carefully planned out. You see the bees are going straight out the skylight. Okay guys, very minimal mess. Bees are mostly coming out. Still a few kind of crawling around the carpet. Okay guys, we're in this beautiful home. We have a beehive. This is a fireplace. The chimney goes all the way to the top. Bees coming inside. So we're gonna open up the hive. It's somewhere in that section right there. Once we open it up, the bees are gonna go crazy and they're gonna go straight out that skylight. As they say, time to get sturdy. You guys ready? Oh my. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. There we have it, guys. It goes far in there. Deep. I need both of my hands. Okay guys, here's the flash. Okay, let's get up here first. Ugh. Whoa, wait. Look how far in it goes. You move the insulation. Oh, the hive goes all the way in there. Oh boy, it's gonna be a messy one. Okay, let's chase the bees out so we can work in there. Ready? Look how everything was carefully planned out. You see the bees are going straight out the skylight. Straight out. Okay guys, here's the brood. We're gonna remove that and put that in the box. And the box is all the way down there. There's my camera right there. Alright guys, you might say, you got the brood out, what next? Well, next we chase the bees out so we can get in there and clean up all that honey without crushing too many. So that's the next job. Got a bag hanging right here. I am completely drenched in sweat. Yeah, I know, TMI. Okay guys, very minimal mess, which is very, very rare. Just a little drop right here of honey. Bees are mostly coming out. Still a few kind of crawling around the carpet. That area is completely empty. Box is up on the roof by the chimney and go back in about 5 to 10 days.